Hey guys, a customer asked me to make this kind of cake, so let's go make it. So I started with a layer of cake. It was a chocolate sponge cake. I added milk ganache on top, as well as mixed berries, as the client requested. I had to make sure that I have a line of ganache around the sides so the berries won't ooze out. So I did the same thing for all 5 layers of cake. Once the 5 layers of cake were assembled, I put a wooden dowel in the center just to prevent the cake from falling over during the transportation. Here I did the crumb coating, which means adding a thin layer of buttercream to catch all the crumbs. I also added 2 more dowels to keep the stability of the cake because this cake was quite tall. Once the cake was chilled in the refrigerator, I added more buttercream and I smoothed it out with a cake smoother. Just try to get it as smooth as you can. Sometimes you have to do it over and over again. Don't forget to cut the dowel into the height of the cake, and I made a hole here because I wanted to put the Jim Beam bottle in there. As the theme colors of this cake were chocolate and gold, I added some gold leaves to make it look more elegant, I guess. I also added chocolate drips. These were just milk chocolate ganache that I used. You don't have to get them all evenly spaced. Just try to make it look nice. Just add more chocolates on top as well and spread it all out. And now it's time to put the Jim Beam bottle on top. I wrapped the bottom of the bottle with a cling wrap so it won't touch the cake directly, although I have wiped the bottle with a sanitizer. And I also added some assorted chocolate like Ferrero Rochers, Oreos, Reese's peanut butter chocolates, which is the favorite of the birthday boy. Oh, I love this cake topper. It says vintage since 1975, aged to perfection. So this cake is for a 50th birthday. I added those lovely gold candles that I found online. I also piped some more buttercream using a star nozzle tip. I piped them around the top and the sides as well. Here, I mixed gold luster dust with alcohol and just painted over some chocolates that I think would look really nice. So there you have it, a chocolate drip cake for a 50th birthday. Happy 50th birthday, Pete.